We're good?
Yep.
Hi everyone, this is Miss Sienna. Today we are doing the baseline experiment for our pill bugs. So in this we have two chambers. We have one chamber over here that is a dry piece of filter paper cut out in the shape of the Petri dish. And then we also on the other side have the same filter paper but slightly damp. And you can see we've separated the pill bugs on either side, and they're trying to escape. But there are currently 10 on each side. So when I remove this green piece of paper, we are gonna start our time and we're gonna do a 5-minute trial and we're gonna take data every 30 seconds. So make sure you have a timer ready to go in your group. When I remove this piece of green paper, you're gonna start your 5 minutes. So ready, set, go.
None of our pill bugs, isopods, Armadillidium vulgare, if you want to use scientific, if you want to use their scientific names,
Nice.
are maintaining any social distancing down here. None of them are wearing masks. It's chaos. But hopefully in your group, you should have 3 people in your breakout room, although based on the number of students, one breakout room may have 2, or maybe a breakout room has 4, but you should have somebody who is sharing their screen right now. You should have one person who is calling out time every 30 seconds. And when they do that, the person who is sharing their screen should pause the video so that the third person in the group can record the data for the number of pill bugs in each chamber. One chamber is the dry chamber and the other one is the wet chamber.
I promise I'm not harming the pill bugs with this soft brush.
Right, no pill bugs were harmed in the making of this video.
They have food. They are fine.
Yes, they have a nice habitat to go back to when we are all done. I won't be feeding them to any fish.
But they are unruly.
And we welded the 2 plates together, remember, so that no pill bugs' feet or legs got stuck to any tape. Oh, there's another one escaping here.
They just had lunch. They're really hyper. Do you know which one he was in?
This one.
Thank you. Oh wow, he just flew over there.
Yeah.
This guy's eating lunch right here.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's like a dog playing with his toy.
Just a little pill bug commentary as we wait.
Yes.
Nope, nope, not you.
So this is our first lab. Normally, you would be doing this lab yourselves. We would do 10-minute trials. We would try to do 3 of them in a class period. But since you're watching this on a video, I figured that a 5-minute trial would be plenty long. If you're recording data every 30 seconds, you are still ending up with 20 data points that you can use to calculate a mean, a median, a mode, and a range. You will also be able to create a scatter plot data of your graph of your points and generate a line of best fit. And since we're doing 3 trials, you'll have 3 lines on your one graph. There they go. This is actually our second attempt at this video. Our first attempt was interrupted 18 seconds short of 5 minutes when Mrs. Flores called my phone and stopped the video. So,
just so you know, if you get a phone call, it stops all video.
Yes, not that I'm bitter.
Not bitter.
At all with Mrs. Flores right now.
No.
For interrupting my video.
This guy's like kind of mutated.
This is quite the nature documentary I'm shooting here.
Oh, well, we might have a full chamber choice situation here.
This one guy is
Let's see. Oh,
refusing to go with the crowd.
yep. He's an individual.
Yes, he is. He's isolating, self-isolating.
Yes, he's smart.
Yes.
He's smart. Nice. What time we got?
We have, well, the video's been going for about 5 minutes and 37 seconds, but we'll need to shoot it probably for about 6 minutes and 30 seconds because we had the introduction. Our video will be a little longer than, we'll record them moving for a little longer than the exact 5 minutes. Once you hit the 5-minute mark, you can stop. I just want to make sure I get a full 5 minutes of video, and I didn't mark exactly what time we started, or we removed that green piece of paper. So we'll go a little bit over to ensure that we got the 5 minutes, but once you hit that 5-minute mark, go ahead and stop the video. You don't need to keep watching, because we're going to do this 2 more times.
Sweet.
Yes.
Oh.
Right. And we're going to go about 15 more seconds. Go to your home. Okay, there it goes. All right. We got an escapee.
Oh, where? Here.
So again, we're just doing this for 5 minutes, and you're recording every 30 seconds. If you want to switch roles and have somebody else sharing their screen, being the timer and being the recorder each time, that's totally okay. This is thrilling. Here we go. One other modification we made to the lab was the lab calls for a total of 10 pill bugs with 5 in each chamber. We added 5 more to each chamber, so we have 20 in here total, and we started with 10 in each chamber. That gives you a little bit more data. Hopefully, the more test subjects you have, the more accurate your data becomes. That's the goal. The more trials you do, the more accurate you can figure that your data is. And 3 trials is okay, but it sure would be nice to do a whole lot more.
I hope I didn't sway this guy, but that's okay.
You just took him over.
Yeah.
Maybe.
There you go. Go ahead.
That's all right. I got one canal
Oh,
right
thank
there.
you.
That guy's decided he's had enough over
Yep,
there.
this guy is just done.
Yep. I've had enough of 2020, he says.
Curling up.
Yeah.
Hello, VAMP advisors. This is Medina. I apologize for the last minute details. We will be sending out an email with explicit instructions this afternoon to you regarding the advisory period. I apologize again for the last minute information. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email back.
He finally decided he's going to walk.
We'll be meeting the first 15 minutes of the advisory period for the A-Day, B-Day this Thursday and Friday via Zoom. So there is no meeting today, but there is an important email coming to you with details that you will be sending to your class. Thank you so much for your patience. Have a wonderful day.
You got to hear a little bit of the inside details over the intercom there while we're running our experiment.
Yep.
The inner workings
Today's Wednesday.
of Fremd High School. Today is Wednesday. Yes, we're recording this on the Wednesday before school starts. If we have time, on our first day. We might even give you a chance to get started with this. We are not sure.
Yeah.
So, depends on how long it takes to go through all our paperwork and sign-ups and stuff.
Oh, I think that's the same guy.
Yeah.
He's having a fit.
Rough day.
Rough day. It's okay. He's only got one more trial.
Okay.
He'll be fine.
Yeah, maybe yesterday was a leg day.
He's going.
Yeah, there he
Nice.
goes. Impressive core strength. Getting himself rolled over. Oh.
Sorry, buddy.
Yeah. All right, we're at the 4-minute mark, so we've got 1 more minute to go. Gotta stay in your home there, buddy.
Nope.
That one is like, well, I kind of want to go over there, but I think I'm just
This
going to
one?
block the entrance for
Yeah.
everybody else instead.
He's like, I want friends.
Yeah. Yeah. How do you count one that's half in, half out?
Yep. Oh, that's true.
Hmm.
What would you say? I feel like he's right now.
Yeah, I would count,
Look,
count
oh, do
him
you
as
see?
going towards
Did you see how he's
Yeah.
a little? Oh, that's smart.
climbing over him. Yeah, I would count them as in whichever one they're heading into if they're right over the middle. That's how I
Okay.
would count it.
Smart.
Yeah, because, all right, we just hit the 5-minute mark of our second video, so I'm going to go ahead and stop the video here in about 5 seconds. Just want to make sure we have enough total time. And all right, so here is the start of our third and final trial with our pill bugs, our isopods, our Armadillidium vulgare. When you do write your lab report up, you will be needing to refer to the pill bugs using the scientific name for those pill bugs. We're seeing quite a congregation on the right here. Again, this is our dry chamber. This is our wet chamber. I know I shouldn't assume that you can tell from the video. That's why I want to make sure you know.
Come on, bud. Nope. Sorry, I influenced your choice. Uh-oh. Trying not to put any extra variables in this with
Could be
my
a-
brushing.
Could be a potential source of error,
It could be.
which when you do write your lab report for this, you will need to include potential sources of error. So that is definitely one that we have.
Try not to call me out by name. I get it.
Yeah, that's okay. It's all right. We're doing the best we can here.
Oh, come on.
Oh. Uh-oh. We're going to do a little bit of intervening here. Just a little.
Get him over.
There you go. Okay, he's good.
Yeah,
He's had it. This is the same guy who's had a
Yeah.
tough day.
yeah. There's
Yeah.
another. There's another
Oh,
one.
thank you.
Oh, he made it.
There you go.
Got one over here on his back though.
Oh, this one?
Playing possum. Yeah.
Come on, buddy. Oh.
He's trying. He doesn't have that core strength to get himself flipped over though.
Really?
I don't know.
Oh, I think you can do it. Come on.
Come on, man.
Go! Come on, buddy. Oh, he gave up.
Maybe we need to yell at him like he's trying to bench press or something. Like, come on!
Let's go! Oh. I'm gonna make him do this. Oh,
Oh, now we got two on our backs. Oh, that
come
one,
on,
see that
come
one?
on. He's going like one side.
Yeah, that other one must have been doing his
Yep.
ab work. I don't know. He was
I
just.
know. Come on. Go, go.
So, holy cow, look at, we got all but one in that wet chamber.
And this one, because he didn't do abs, but
Right.
oh well. I'm gonna let him figure this out.
It's what we teachers call a productive struggle.
Oh, hang on, buddy. Nope, nope.
Your work should not be too hard that you can't do it, but so easy that it doesn't make you stretch at all.
Look at him. He didn't do anything all day,
No,
and now
he-
he's trying to eat.
Yeah,
Lazy.
yeah. That's how you put on weight in quarantine, trust me, I know. I know from personal experience.
Come on. Oh my god. Towards the end of the trial, it gets a little.
Yeah, we've got 2 more data points here. We're at 4 minutes and 15 seconds, so we'll need the. I'm going to record till about 5 minutes and 15 seconds because I don't think we started exactly at time 0. So we should have 2 more data points here. Escapee.
Escapee. Nope.
Trying to get out of Alcatraz here.
Yeah. There we go. Come on, buddy. All right. Nice. Stay.
We should have just 1 more data point that should be taken shortly. I'm going to record for about 10 more seconds, and then that will be it for our 3rd trial of the first part of our experiment, trying to determine whether pillbugs prefer a wet or dry environment or have no preference. Of course, our null hypothesis would be that the pillbugs will have no preference for wet or dry environments. And I am turning off the video.